Dogs are more than just furry companions. They become loyal friends and beloved members of the family. But like any relationship, building a strong bond with your dog requires clear communication and mutual understanding. This is where training comes in. Teaching your dog a few essential skills can significantly improve their well-being and make life easier for everyone. Here are the top 5 things every dog should be taught, along with valuable information and tips for successful training. 1. Basic commands, the foundation of communication. It all starts with the basics. Commands like sit, down, stay, come, and heel may seem simple, but they form the foundation for a well-behaved and responsive dog. These commands are your primary tools for communication and control, making walks, playtime, and everyday interactions more manageable. Here's a breakdown of each command and its benefits. Sit. This fundamental command helps calm an excited dog, encourages focus, and provides a starting point for other commands. It also helps control unruly behavior, like jumping on people. Down, similar to sit down, promotes calmness and focus. It's helpful for greeting guests politely or when you need your dog to relax in a specific area. Stay. This crucial command teaches your dog to remain in a specific position, whether sitting down or standing, even when prompted to move. It allows for better control in situations like waiting at the door or crossing the street. Come. Having a reliable recall is essential for your dog's safety and your peace of mind. When your dog comes when called, you can prevent them from running off or getting into trouble. Heel. This command teaches your dog to walk beside you without pulling on the leash. It makes walks enjoyable and reduces the risk of injuries for both you and your dog. Teaching tips. Keep it positive. Reward your dog with treats, praise, or affection for successful attempts. Be consistent. Use the same command word and hand signals every time. Start small. Begin training in a quiet, controlled environment with minimal distractions. Gradually increase difficulty as your dog masters the command. Practice makes perfect. Short and frequent training sessions are more effective than long, sporadic ones. Patience is key. Learning takes time. Don't get discouraged if your dog doesn't understand immediately. Remain calm, patient, and consistent with your training. By mastering these basic commands, your dog will not only be better behaved, but also develop a stronger bond with you through the process of learning and positive reinforcement. 2. Loose leash walking, enjoyable outings for all. Walks are a vital part of a dog's physical and mental health. However, a dog who pulls on the leash can make walking a frustrating and even painful experience. Teaching loose leash walking allows you and your dog to enjoy your walks together. Here are some key points to remember. Harness versus collar. A properly fitted harness distributes pressure more evenly than a collar, making it more comfortable for your dog and easier for you to control. High-value treats. Use treats your dog loves to keep them focused on you and walking by your side. Stop and go technique. When your dog starts to pull, stop walking and wait for them to return to your side. As soon as their attention comes back to you and the leash becomes slack, reward them with a treat and resume walking. Repeat this process consistently to discourage pulling. Teaching tips. Start indoors. Begin training in a controlled environment with minimal distractions. Once your dog has mastered walking loosely on a leash indoors, gradually move outdoors. Change direction frequently. Keep your dog engaged by changing direction often. This also discourages pulling because they will need to pay attention to where you're going. Be patient. Teaching loose leash walking can take time. Remain consistent with your approach and positive with your rewards. With patience and training, your dog will learn to walk calmly beside you, making walks a pleasurable experience for everyone. Potty training is essential for maintaining a clean and odor-free home. It also helps prevent accidents and promotes good hygiene for your dog. Here are some key points for successful potty training. Establish a schedule. Take your dog out frequently, especially after meals, waking up, and playtime. This helps establish a routine and allows them to avoid accidents. Choose a designated potty spot. Take your dog to the same spot outside each time. This helps them associate that location with elimination. Positive reinforcement. When your dog eliminates in the designated spot outdoors, praise them lavishly and offer a reward like a treat or a toy. This positive reinforcement encourages them to repeat the desired behavior. Clean accidents thoroughly. Accidents happen, especially during the initial training phase. When your dog eliminates indoors, clean the area thoroughly with an enzymatic cleaner to remove any lingering odors that might entice them to repeat the behavior in the same spot. Be consistent. Maintain a consistent routine and supervision, especially when your dog is young or has had an accident. Don't give up. With patience and perseverance, most dogs can be potty trained. Teaching tips. Crate training can be helpful. Crate training provides a safe and secure space for your dog when you can't supervise them. Dogs naturally avoid eliminating in their own den, so crate training can aid in potty training. Limit their freedom. When you can't directly supervise your dog, confine them to a puppy-proofed area, such as a playpen or a leash tethered to you. This prevents them from having accidents in unsupervised areas. Be observant. Learn your dog's potty cues, such as sniffing, circling, or whining. This allows you to take them outside before an accident occurs. By following these steps and maintaining consistency, you can successfully potty train your dog and enjoy a cleaner, more odor-free home. The Leave It command teaches your dog to resist picking up unwanted objects or chasing after distractions. This is a valuable skill that can help prevent them from ingesting something harmful, like a dropped medication or a poisonous plant, or becoming unruly in public places. Here's why. Leave It is important. Safety. It can prevent your dog from ingesting something that could make them sick. Focus. Leave It helps your dog maintain focus on you and resist distractions during walks or training sessions. Control. This command gives you more control over your dog's behavior in various situations. Teaching tips. Start small. Begin training in a quiet, controlled environment with a low-value item like a toy your dog shows minimal interest in. Hold the item in your closed hand and say, "Leave it," as you offer it to your dog. When they turn away or lose interest in the object, reward them with a treat they find even more desirable. Gradually increase the value of the item and the level of distraction as your dog masters the command. Mark and reward. The moment your dog looks away from the forbidden object, use a clicker or a marker word like "yes," and then reward them with a treat. This precise timing reinforces the desired behavior. Be consistent. Practice the leave it command regularly in different situations to ensure your dog generalizes the skill to various distractions. With consistent training and positive reinforcement, your dog will learn to control their impulses and resist picking up unwanted objects. Socialization is the process of exposing your dog to different people, animals, and environments in a positive way during their critical developmental period, typically between the ages of 3 weeks and 16 weeks. This helps them become well-adjusted, confident, and comfortable in various situations throughout their lives. Here's why socialization is important. Reduces fear and anxiety. A well-socialized dog is less likely to be fearful or aggressive towards unfamiliar people, animals, or objects. Improves behavior. Socialization can help prevent problems like barking, lunging, or shyness in unfamiliar situations. Provides a richer life. Socialized dogs are more relaxed and can enjoy a wider range of experiences with you. Socialization tips. Puppy socialization classes. Enroll your puppy in puppy socialization classes offered by professional trainers or animal shelters. These classes provide a safe and controlled environment for puppies to interact with other dogs of different breeds, sizes, and ages. Positive experiences. Make all social interactions positive for your dog. If they seem apprehensive, don't force them to interact. Instead, reward calm and curious behavior with treats and praise. Variety is key. Expose your dog to a variety of people, places, and experiences. Take them to dog parks, pet-friendly stores, or outdoor cafes where they can observe and interact with others in a controlled setting. Respect boundaries. Teach your dog basic doggy etiquette, like not jumping on people or snatching toys. This ensures positive interactions with others. Continue socialization throughout life. Socialization is not a one-time event. Continue exposing your dog to new experiences and people throughout their life to maintain their well-adjusted behavior. By following these tips and starting socialization early, you can help your dog develop into a confident, well-mannered canine citizen who thrives in various social situations. Teaching your dog these 5 essential skills Basic commands, loose leash walking, potty training, leave it, and socialization will significantly improve their well-being and your relationship with them. A well-trained dog is not only a joy to live with, but also a safer and more adaptable companion. Remember, training should be a positive experience for both you and your dog. Use patience, positive reinforcement, and consistent practice to help your furry friend learn and grow. The rewards of a well-behaved and happy dog are truly enriching for both of you. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.